Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and reviews. Today, we're taking a look at Nurx, an online platform found at www.nurx.com that aims to simplify access to essential healthcare services. This platform, accessible through the provided URL, offers a convenient and discreet way to manage your health needs from the comfort of your own home. Nurx seeks to eliminate the hassle of traditional clinic visits by providing services such as birth control, emergency contraception, PrEP for HIV prevention, STI testing, and herpes treatment. The website, nurx.com, is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to navigate easily through the various offerings and select the services that best suit your requirements. One of Nurx's key selling points is its commitment to affordability and accessibility. They strive to make their services accessible to a wider population by offering options for insured and uninsured individuals. This commitment to inclusivity is a defining characteristic of their approach to healthcare. They emphasize a patient-centered experience, ensuring that individuals feel comfortable and empowered in managing their health proactively. Furthermore, Nurx emphasizes the privacy and confidentiality of its users, understanding the sensitive nature of the services they provide. Through a streamlined online process at nurx.com, users can consult with licensed medical professionals, receive personalized recommendations, and have medications delivered discreetly to their doorstep. This process is designed to be convenient and efficient, eliminating the need for time-consuming appointments and potentially embarrassing pharmacy visits. The company website, www.nurx.com, provides detailed information about their services, pricing, and frequently asked questions. It's a valuable resource for anyone considering using Nurx to manage their healthcare. We encourage you to visit www.nurx.com and explore the platform for yourself. See how Nurx can empower you to take control of your health in a convenient and discreet manner. Nurx is revolutionizing the way people access vital healthcare services, and their website, www.nurx.com, is the gateway to a more streamlined and accessible healthcare experience. They offer a modern approach to healthcare, fitting seamlessly into today's busy lifestyles. Be sure to check out nurx.com to learn more about their comprehensive range of services and how they can benefit you.